Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and so today we are going to unboxing Tomytec Nissan Skyline GT-T ER34. So as you know before, Tomytec has made the R33 GTR, R32 GTR, but never made an R34 Coupe yet. So in the past they made some GTT sedans or GTVs, but it's not really a GTR. It's not a coupe either. So they just released a coupe version, but it's just a GTT and not a GTR. So today I will unbox it and see what's inside. So as the catalog says, you can change the bumpers, the part of it. I think it's quite cool, right? So I'm gonna struggle how to unbox these things. Damn. So I'm gonna quite struggle with this. The tape, like the packaging is, damn. I might struggle at this a little bit because like the packaging, damn. How the oh, I find, okay, good. Okay, so all right. Okay, just one more parts. Just need one more open. Okay. Damn. So, as the fans is waiting for the R34 GTR and Tomytec certainly make a GTT. So I think it's a nice alternative to GTR Tomytec, because I think that Tomytec going to do the GTR in in the future soon. But now we got the GTT with changing parts. Yeah. Alright, so let's see. So I ordered the base high blue one, which is the very iconic color for the GTR, and also available in this GTT. So let's move this here and focus on this thing. So okay, I'm gonna unbox the big plastic box first, and let's see the box of this. So as you can see, the box design is really nice, and having two cars with the Attila kits or with the Nismo rims, the original bumpers, original spoilers, with Nismo rims. And in real life, these bumpers is really rare because aftermarket tuners swap this face out and to this face or whatever bumpers they can come up with. So you got this very iconic tail lights. Yeah, it's labeled GTT. Yes, the GT Turbo, which is the high performance variants just below the GTR. So I don't understand why they please enjoy the resemble process as if you were the owner of the actual car. I don't get that. Yeah, I really don't get that. This sentence. So in the back here you got like the instructions for the bumper swappings, and also you got Nissan Corporation official license product and age of 15, right? Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it and see what inside. Okay, the box is really nice, and the first time Tomytec doing something like swap bumper like this. Oh my god, I'm screwed up a little bit. Okay, good. Oh damn. Okay, good. I'll pull this out. Alright. So in the case you have the GTT with there's many bumpers here, right? Let's unbox it. Okay, unbox it gently. Okay, very soft, very smooth. All right, so you got the Nissan Skyline GT frame. Yes, without any bumpers yet, right? It's really heavy. I think it's really heavy in my opinion. All right, sorry for color camera qualities. Yeah, you got the single side exhaust, and you can choose on different bumpers. So I must go with the stock kit first. Right, I'm gonna go with the stock kit. It's the the original one. The bumper is really light. Yeah, I feel it's kind of plastic-ish, I think. Install this into the car. All right. Oh damn. Oh, it fits right in. Wow, very nice. So I'm gonna come with the stock bumpers also. Yes, the stock bumpers. And okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm a little bit stuck here. Okay, come on. This is the limit, I think. No, it's not. No, it's not. All right. Okay, it's really tight. Yeah, it's really tight. All right, and also with the stock spoiler. Yes, so finally I built for myself a Nissan GT-T. Yes, this is the appearance of the car. Right, as you can see, this is the appearance of the car. So, oops, my camera messed up a little bit. So as you can see, this is really shiny blue, bayside blue, and with the stock bumpers and the rear bumpers and stock spoiler. So this looks really stunning. Well, this is the bayside blue ones, and with this Nismo rims, as you can see, the letter of Nismo really small right here, but I cannot sure if you can see it or not. So the lines, the design is really good. The hoods, the hood's really good, and I think it's look really alike the GTR. I think this could be the form of the GTR Tomytec in the future. Yeah, it's a GT-T. It's the closest thing to the GTR you can get in the Tomytec form. So the headlights looks really, I think it looks okay with this this detail inside. It's quite okay, and the headlight is different from the sedan one. The sedan is look different, really different in the front. I don't know why Tomytec separate that design, but yeah. And also at the interior, you can see the triple gauge, the turbo boost. There's a turbo boost and oil temperature and voltage battery. Yeah, the triple dial. It's really nice. I really like that triple gauge. It reminds me of the old Nissan Z's. Yeah, and also the interior, it's combined with black and gray interior. I think it's really classy, really nice. Nothing fancy. And also the steering wheel, it's silver and black. Wow. I mean the black is okay, but with this silver on it pops out. Okay, I think it's cool. And also you're gonna got this like really iconic GT badge on the side. Oh, sorry, my camera messed up again. Damn. Okay, so the GT badge on the side, as many GTRs. All right. Damn, this look really nice though. And I think I'm going to replace. I'm going to change with the body kit, Atala kit. Okay, so I'm gonna place it right here, and I will change other bumpers. Oh damn. Okay, I'm gonna place it carefully because it's like really fragile. Okay, I think Tomytec came with this decision. It's really nice. Instead of two cars with different bumpers, they do this. I think it's good for the financial. Yeah. Okay, it stucks. Yeah, I don't want to. Damn. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to install the Attila kit. Right. Okay. Okay. Start with the trunk first. I'm gonna start with the trunk. All right. This goes in, and the bumpers. Damn. It's too tight. Yeah, I don't like this. It's too tight. It's just loosened like the front one. Okay, I'm gonna take the front bumpers and put it on. Damn. All right. Okay, so let's see. This bumper goes on. Ding. Okay. Well, I don't know why it cannot being plugged in. Okay, let's another attempt to put this bumper on the GT-T. Oh damn, jeez. Okay, so I don't know how to remove this. Okay, it's a bit loosened now. Come on, yes. Okay. Damn, I struggle with this. I quite struggle with the bumper of the stock one. I want to replace it with the with the body kit one. Okay, I might struggle with this. Damn. It's really tight. Okay, so the video is quite long now, and I think I'm going to find out how to take this off. right? And also with the stock spoiler. All right, so overall this is really nice product, but I think the rear bumper is really tight. All right, so as you see, one more time before the video ends, and here it's a car. All right, looks really nice, model is good, and the parts are being actually like really tight. And but this part is too tight, I cannot even pull it out. I wouldn't say that it would damage my car or break the bumper. Yeah, so I just keep it. Oh, okay, so it's good for waiting for few months to get this thing. All right, so goodbye and see you in another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.